Let's go. Yeah. Don't forget y'all May 7th, ladies first. Yeah. Right here. Yeah. TA.
Yeah. Yeah. What's up, crowd? What's up, crowd? Raise your hand. For the North. Yeah. Yeah. You never wanted me to win. Check your back, let me out the win. This is revenge. And you know I'm gon' shine. Tryna put that baby on me, but that baby ain't mine. You know you done fucked up. Going to the top, bitch, and you can't come with us. You probably be the first to snitch. If you know I'm getting rich, hella quick, punk bitch. Death the sign, Lord to the straight. Refuse to stay silent. Mothers to the way, they try to keep it real. I just have a tendencies. I met her with a mom who was a certified dope. She told me with her eyes, Daddy, please don't let go of me. I told her I need a hoe, that's the only way you go with me. She said that's what I wanna do. Can I bring my thug with me? I really don't give a shit. Only bring my dope with me. Here we go, bitch. I know you love my trophy, bitch. She said, Daddy, I ain't got much, don't be mad at me. She gave me a few dollars, it really wasn't shit. But in that same hour, I set it down and she hit. Nah, nigga, know what caliber I bitch you working with. Compared to my last hoe, that bitch is worth a list. So when it comes to build a bitch workshop, I'm the best at it. To love the bitch, I'm rubber, yeah, I invested. You never wanted me to win. Turn your back, let me out the win. This is revenge, And you know I'm gon' shine. Tryna put that baby on me, but that baby ain't mine. You know you done fucked up. You're going to the top, bitch, and you can't come with us. You probably be the first to snitch. If you know I'm getting rich, how to quick punk bitch. Now when it begins, it's when friendship ends. I get a bitch warm and lose touch with her kin. Her life had no tone, I'm gonna get her down in. She already proves you with the movement, she know I move in. Every time I be moving with the wind. Now the tracks back to back, and the baby play again. It's good, you good, fuck around and stay again. I've been on out for a few days, hit LA again. I'm up in the big house if you don't wanna pay my bitch. They can't run the laptop, jewelry, or whatever. It's been having me running together. And I can tell by the way she said it, that she really meant it. She gon' hold it in, hide it proud when I said it. Act like she on the island when I see it in it. Fuck the rock, pop the baby in it. But the baby don't look like me, and I'm not a babysitter. You never wanted me to win, turn your back, let me out with the win. This is revenge, And you know I'm gon' shine, tryna put that baby on me, but that baby ain't mine. You know you done fucked up. We're going to the top, bitch, and you can't come with us. You probably be the first to snitch. If you know I'm getting rich, hella quick, punk bitch. You never wanted me to win, turn your back, let me out with the win. This is revenge, And you know I'm gon' shine, tryna put that baby on me, but that baby ain't mine. Real life, African power, real life. When the rain hit, I be here too. But when the sun shine again, we gon' make it through. But it ain't over yet, storms lie ahead. But in the mind we trust, they gon' have to kill me dead. And then if it's it all, I can try to chase the bread. And they say I'm all off, falls in my head. Cause I make my own laws when I'm getting rich. And I fuck it all off, fucking with my kids. I'm lost in the world, I don't pay no more. My life equal, illegal, I take it as I go. I'm from the North Pole, my niggas move snow. She said this is know you all a bunch of red though. That's what my niggas do, I don't sell dope. But I'm the nigga that they keep getting sales for. I need a bitch to take the risk, who wanna sell dope. Give my shit my shorts, keep my summer flow. It's clean dipping over here, you can smell the soap. I got the game over years, fucking with my folks. Real ride, over the eye, fuck a quicker top. Young Jerry Duck, worked out at coach time. I know you think me down, you're going to a fine. Well, hey, little miss, come 5'9". Still yell out your name when we get high. And every day, you always stay on our mind. When the rain here, I be here too. But when the sun shine again, we know we make it through. But it ain't over yet, storms lie ahead. But in the mind we trust, they gon' have to kill me dead. And then if it's it all, I ain't tryna change the red. And they say I'm all off, balls in my head. Cause I make my own laws when I'm getting rich. And I fuck it all off, fucking with my kids. Alicia Walker was a balling up a shot caller. Some niggas in the east took a life trying to rob it. Didn't want to leave until I heard from my father. That was 99, my nerves still get bothered. She gon' live through me and I'm going to mile. She used to come in with the bottle, put it in my pocket. It was me, Roy Breezy, and the young Robin. In the high rises, in the Acorn project. 7 gun with the rear end posit. Black tape, black top, 50 rocket. If I really pick her up, I was she was nothing. I mean, we was nothing. I mean, it was nothing. I mean, it was something that I like about this bitch. Ain't no fun. She was the best bitch I ever give a nigga money. And a hate nigga had to come and take her from me. When the rain here, I be here too. But when the sun shine again, we know we make it through. But it ain't over yet. Storms high ahead. But in the mind we trust, they gon' have to kill me dead. And then the bitch is all, I ain't trying to chase the bread. And they say I'm all up, all in my head. Cause I make my own love when I'm getting rich. And I'm fucking all up, fucking with my kids. I don't like Jones, so I use caution. My word is my fun. I don't like to break it off. Before I let you down, I make it off. Trapped in the flashlight, got a track off. It's so easy pain, but I keep coughing to the point. My nigga chest hurt. Got a damn California, that's the best perk. Stay around with the mob, that's my network. Some of them go to work, some of them got to work, some of them gotta work it for no matter how they work. The law free them all, free my sauce. One another little R.B. the Mac boss. Rob Man was a knock, I mean, take a loss. R.B. Rob Man, man, we took a loss. R.B. man, R.B. Rob Man, man, we took a loss. When it rain here, I be here too. But when the sun shine again, we know we make it through. But they ain't know we get storms high here. But in the mountain touch, they don't have to get hit. And then the risk it all, I ain't trying to chase the bread. And they say I'm all off, all in my head. Cause I make my own love when I'm getting rich. But I fuck it all up, fucking with my kids. Cause it can't stop me now. I'm a Vice City where the niggas get down. Never wanna change, I might switch my style. I ain't fucking black niggas, I'm a white girls now. And it can't stop me now. I'm from Vice City where the niggas get down. Never wanna change, I might switch my style. I'm a old school rhyme, I'm not European sound. Miami, Miami, real live, R.B. Everybody,
y'all show some love for African soul. Y'all show love for African soul.
real live.
We're in the building, man. Let's get it in.